Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to start prepping the grill for paint and these side panels here under the lights, and we're going to chuck some wheel spacers on so it doesn't look like we are on a boat. Let's do it. Alright, so we're going to get this off. Oh, that was easy. We're going to pop the mesh out, probably clean it up a bit. I can't remember what I was using back in the day when I did that. Then we'll start sanding this down. This red isn't even close to the original red, but I think we're going to go black. So start pulling that apart. Alright, so we've got some wheel spacers here to pump these out so they're in line with the guard. I'll probably do that tomorrow because I've got to jack the car up obviously, and I can't be bothered doing that tonight, so I'll get stuck into everything tomorrow. Yeah, almost forgot. I need to do some heat shields for back here, but we will order the Heltec gauge this week, so there goes the bank. Alright guys, it's the next day and I'm pretty sure I left the charger on for 24 hours. Yep. Nah. So I just turned it off. Hopefully it hasn't done any damage. It wasn't connected from the kill switch, so that's okay. Oh, it stinks though. Oh no. Alright, so it's back on battery okay. So I'm going to disconnect this. There was a fumes, so I'm going to put one of the windows down. This is off, so get rid of them. Yeah, I'll keep the windows open. I'm not testing it just yet. I'll come back tomorrow and hopefully it's still good. Yeah, that's the first time in a long time I've seen that green and red, which is good. And yeah, it's quite warm, so yeah, hopefully it can hold its charge. We're going to do the wheels now, so we'll shut the door, we'll do the wheels, and tomorrow when I get home I'll see if I can start this up. Alright guys, so I just got an email from Import Monster saying that the front bumper for the Skyline has landed in Melbourne. It's only maybe 5 minutes from my work, so tomorrow I'm going to go pick it up after work and that'll be a different video. But we finally got the front bumper, so we can start working on the Skyline once again. Alright, so we're going to jack the car up and we're going to put these 1-inch spacers on. Let's have a look at the end result. Alright guys, so we are going from this to this. Yeah boy. Alright, so the left hand side is done. Clearly we've got more camber on this side. So we're going to need a wheel alignment. I don't know who will do that. Or if they want to do it with the spacers. Probably not. But let's move on to the back ones. Alright, so here is the gap. I'm pretty sure we're going to scrub. I've got a few spiders. Yep, she's been sitting for too long, boys. Alright guys, all 4 corners are done. Looking a lot better. Oh yeah. Should take that off the door. Look a bit more streamlined. Yeah. Oops, better. Yeah, just got to work on that camber, I think, on this side. No, we'll get somebody to figure that out later. Alright, we're gonna start working on the grill now. Alright guys, one of the guys at work suggested that I make this into carbon fibre. So make a mould of this and carbon fibre. What do you guys think? Anyway, I'm going to slowly take this mesh off the backside. Lift in there. Ow. Alright, so it's just here. This is just a 2-part epoxy I think I used. I can't remember. It was within the first 6 months of owning the car I did this. It's actually soft. I'm not sure what it was, but yeah, time to clean it. Is that a spider sack? Guess it's time to sand this down. It's a bit rough. What do you guys think? Should I make a mould? I just got to figure out how I'm going to make the mounts. I'm going to do a mould. Just do little standoffs and have the same. I'm not sure. Would you guys be interested in purchasing one of these grills? It's just a GT one that I've modified. Yeah, let me know. So what I might do in this episode is sand this down with 600, get it to a 600, which is smooth enough to and rough enough to paint, and also good enough to polish up to do a mould. So if I get any comments about doing a mould for this, we'll might chuck it in a mould. Alright, so last night we had a bit of water come through here. You can tell it's all still wet. Lifted up my welder. But yeah, I don't think we're going to get much done in this episode for this. Anyway, I did pick up the Skyline bumper, so we're going to go grab that and chuck it in here somewhere. There we go. Silver one though. Upside down. Alright, so we finally got the front bumper for the Skyline. It is just the stock one, and I realised I forgot to buy a grill as well, so I've got to sort out something there. I was going to film the whole process of, you know, starting the fuzz up, driving to Import Monster, picking it up and everything, but the weather was just crazy yesterday. I'll show you a few clips from around the house, and yeah, this is why I didn't come out here, and this is why it's all flooded, or was flooded.
Living on that, Daddy.
Alright guys, unfortunately I'm going to have to wrap this episode up. Got a busy night, we're going out. But first, I want to see if this starts from charging the battery the other day. We nearly burnt the fuzz down, having it on for too long, and then we'll wrap it up. So she starts. Oh. Oh my god, I think that battery is done, because that wasn't connected. That was disconnected with the master switch. Only thing that's connected straight to the battery is the fuel pump. So yeah, I think the battery's done. Great. Alright guys, so I'm going to wrap this one up here. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. I know we didn't get much done. We did get the spacers on and we did pick up the bumper for the Skyline, which is pretty cool. Waited about 4 months for that, so you can get stuck back into the Skyline. Anyways guys, I'll catch you next episode. Make sure you leave a like and I'll see you then. Bye.